Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Syed Ali. Today I have two problems sent to me by one of the remote student. Translate trapezoid DEFG 6 unit left, 4 unit up. And second question is translate kite IJKL 6 unit right, 2 unit down. And the coordinates are given, of course. So the coordinates are D 21, E 41, F 4 minus 1, and G 1 minus 1. So what will be the D dash? We learned in the previous video how to translate, right? So 6 unit left, that means minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So it's a simple math, right? Or simple algebra. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. And what about Y? 4 unit up. So 1 plus 4, right? So 1 plus 4 is 5. What is E dash? So E dash will be 4 minus 6. That is minus 2. Great. And 1, 4 unit up. 1 plus 4, 5. So we got this. F dash. So F dash will be 6 unit left. 6 unit left means 4 minus 6, minus 2. And 4 unit up, minus 1, plus 4. So plus 3. Right? G dash. 1 minus 6. So that is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. So you have all the translated ordered pairs or coordinates, right? Then you have to show this translation on the graph, right? So to show this translation on the graph, I have a coordinate system, and now I will draw it with a maybe blue pen, right? So yeah. So 2, 1, 1, 2. I am taking a bigger so that you can easily draw it. So 2 and 1, right? So this is my 2, 1. And then I have 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. So this is my second point. 4 minus 1. So 4 is the same, but minus 1 is something down. So minus 1. And then I have 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is somewhere here. So my trapezoid look like this. And since I have given the names, so this is my D, this is my E, F, and G. So this is my original trapezoid, D, E, F, G. Now I have to see that if I translate it, I have the other coordinate system now, translated coordinate system, minus 4, 5. Minus 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4, and then I have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have this point as D dash, right? And then what I have? Minus 2 and 5. So minus 2. And I have to go 5, like plus, right? So 5. How much is it there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. So I have to go same. 4, 5, right? So this is my E dash, right? So minus 2 and plus 3. Minus 2 and plus 3 this time. So 1, 2, 3. This is my minus 2 and plus 3. So both are minus 2 and minus 2, so they have to be like in line, a little bit in line. So I will make in line, right? Because when you draw it in a grid system or graph paper, it will be exact or accurate. So I'm just trying to let you guys know that how to draw it or where the translation will go for this trapezoid. Minus 5 and 3, minus 5. So minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 5. And now I have to go plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So my trapezoid, this and this is straight, This is taper and this is straight. So my trapezoid look like this. So this trapezoid D dash, E dash, F dash and G dash is translated. How much translated? 6 unit left, 6 unit left and 4 unit up. 4 unit up. The same question sometimes coming up like that you are only given D and D dash and you are not given this, and he's saying that okay, and they also do not give this 6 unit left and 4 unit up. So the question behind it is that from the first D and D dash you can figure it out that what is your left and right translation. How? So if they give only 2 minus 4, so you can say that how you can get 2 minus 4. So on the number line, if you remember number line, if you are at 2, right, 1 and 2, you are at 2 and you need to get minus 4. 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, right? So how many units you travel? So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 6 unit left is my travel, right? And then you see Y. So in Y, what is happening? I was at 1 and now I have 5. So that means 4 is added. This was simple. So 4 is added. When you add 1 plus 4, you get 5. So that means 4 unit up. So you need to tackle the first order pair to get what is your translation. How many unit left, how many unit up. So you can get from there and then you can manage all the other points. Then you can draw the graph and then finally you can say that how much it is translated. So this is another way of asking the same question. Now I did it the way it was asked. So if it is asked in other way around, like only one ordered pair is given, then even then you can solve it, right? So it's not given that 6 unit left, 4 unit up, but you can find out how to find out how much translation is because one of the ordered pair is given, right? Now, second question. Translate kite IJKL 6 unit right, 2 unit down. And the coordinates are I is equals to minus 3, 0. J is equal minus 2, minus 1. K is equals to minus 3, minus 3. And L is equals to minus 4, minus 1. And translation rate is given, so we have no worries. I dash will be equals to 6 unit right. So minus 3 plus 6, that is plus 3, right? 0, 2 unit down. So 0 minus 2 will become minus 2. J dash. So minus 2, 6 unit right. So minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Very right. Minus 1, 2 unit. What do we have? 2 unit down. 2 unit down, right? Minus. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, right? So this is J dash. Then K dash. Minus 3 plus 6, that is plus 3. Minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So when you guys are like practicing this, you will be having like no trouble in doing that. But you can learn with me. Minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2, right? Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So we have all the coordinates which are translated I, J, K. So to I dash, J dash, K dash and L dash. Now we can draw the two translated figures, right? So now the first figure is minus 3, 0. So I have somewhere minus 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, minus 3 and 0. So it remains here. Next is minus 2, minus 1. So minus 2, minus 1 is here. Minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3 was there. 1, 2, 3. So minus 3 is here. Then minus 4, minus 1. Minus 4, minus 1. Somewhere here. So my kite is like this. Right? So my coordinate system is I, J, K, and L. So we draw all the coordinates IJKL on the grid system. And then I have I dash. So I can draw with the green maybe to distinguish it that it is transformed or translated, right? So what is my I dash? Plus 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3 and minus 2, 1, 2. So this is my I dash. Plus 4 minus 3. Plus 4, 1, 2, 3. Plus 4 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 5. Plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my K dash. Plus 2 minus 3. Plus 2, 1, 2, 3. This is my next point. So my figure is, or my kite is like this. And this is I dash, J dash, K dash, and L dash. So we translated the kite 6 unit right and 2 unit down. And I also discussed with you that this question can be asked in a different way as well, where they only give you one translated coordinate, right? But from one translated coordinate, you can figure it out that how much x is shifted with the help of maybe number line, or you can do it in your head as well. So minus 3, if you are at minus 3, so 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, you are at minus 3. And you go to plus 3. So you go to 1, 2, 3. So how many units you travel? Right? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 units you travel to the right. So you are plus 6. So it was not given that 6 unit right, but you can find out because the first translation was given. So you can find out from there that how much x coordinate is shifted. Now you can see 0. If you are at 0 and you go to minus 2, 0, minus 2. So that means you travel only minus 2 from 0 to minus 2, right? So this one, minus 2. So you travel 2 unit down. This time we are on the y-axis. So we can say that 2 unit down. So this way, if question is asked like only one ordered pair is given and its translation is given, you can still find out how many units the whole figure or picture is translated, and then you can manage the same way. And you can draw the graph of the translated picture or diagram, right? So these were the 2 questions asked by one of my remote student. If you have any question, email your questions s_shahid_ali@hotmail.com. Subscribe my channel, thumbs up, share it with your friends and family friends. Thank you for watching.